Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to be reviewing this folding step stool. I'm going to be sharing what I like about it, along with everything you should know in order to make a fully informed purchase. Alright, so let's dive in. The very first thing that I like is how lightweight it is. It's made out of aluminum, which is a very light material, also as well as plastic, which does two things. It allows you to have a very lightweight folding step stool that you can carry around, and also something that you can carry around outside, and it can be in the weather, be in the elements, and you don't have to worry about it rusting, plus easy to wash off. Now let's talk about some of the biggest features, which is actually the ability to fold and open up very easily. So just make sure everything's locked in. You heard those locks, and boom, now we're ready. What's really good is that it comes folded up just like that, so there's no pieces and parts that you have to put together. It comes like that right out of the box, and then now it's ready to use. Okay, so let's go ahead and step on it here. So this is really sturdy. You can see here, I'm trying to move around, shake it around. It has these rubber bottoms down here, so they're non-skid. So that's really good if you're using it on hardwood or on a tile surface like I am. I think this is great for inside or outside, especially if my wife is standing up trying to put something up over the refrigerator or on the shelves. It's something that she can confidently step on and not worry about it falling or tipping. Now, you saw me obviously stand on it. However, just so you know, it does hold up to 500 pounds. Now, something that I really like that stands out about this stool is this right here. It has 4 adjustments, and these move independently of one another. So each single stand or each single foot moves independently. That way, if you're on an uneven surface, you can adjust accordingly. So previously it was at 14 inches. Now we've added 6 more inches of height, so now it's at 20 inches. So you can see here, just an easy step up. And again, still very sturdy, right, being at 20 inches. So this is very handy now that I can just put my toolkit on this, use it as a workbench, so I don't have to keep bending over, right, and grabbing tools out. So that's very handy. And also, now I have that 20 extra inches extension to where I can reach up, clean my gutters, and don't need to bring an entire ladder outside. And when you're ready to put it up, it's very easy. You just click this red button and fold it in. And then same thing for down here. Click the red button, fold it in. And this third one, click it and fold it. And just make sure you don't close your fingers in. And there you go. Very easy and to take it away. So overall, I think that I'm really going to enjoy using this folding stool. Love the durability of it and believe you will too.